Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its next flagship product, the Xiaomi Mi 7, in February 2018. The smartphone is rumored to come with a 16 megapixels plus 16 megapixels dual rear camera setup with an aperture of frame 1.7. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC with 8 GB of RAM. It will have 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. The Mi 7 will have Adreno 540 GPU. Expected to have a 6.1-inch bezel-less display with 18:9 aspect ratio, which will be made by Samsung. Other rumored specifications of the device include a rear fingerprint sensor and a ceramic back similar to the Mi 6. The phone will have non-removable LiPo 3500 mAh battery with fast charging support. Connectivity options included are USB Type-C, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Hotspot, and dual SIM, Nano SIM. Xiaomi Mi 7th of May support wireless charging as Xiaomi recently joined the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, which means that the phone will come with support for Qi standard wireless charging. Rumors suggest that the Xiaomi Mi 7 will be priced at around 2,999 Yuan for the 6 GB variant, which is approximately $460.